Alrighty, just a little overview of what I carry in my car. This will be part one. I'm going to start with the back seat, and the next part will be the back hatch, and of course the roof. So down here we have a multi-tool, cheaper one, but I've had it for years, and my crampons for winter. Back molly straps of driver's seat. I have a couple of cups. Got these at the dollar store. Aluminum, but they work well. And of course my two-way radios. And my Danish military tarp. Sorry, not tarp. Poncho. Which doubles as a tarp. I keep my hiking shoes and a spare hoodie. Alright. Now, in this side, back of the seat pouch there, I just keep shopping bags. In this seat pouch, binoculars, pair of gloves, and my orange winter hat for going in the woods. That's it. All right, under the seat. See if I can get in a no glare zone here. Here we go. I always have a bottle of a gasoline antifreeze. Also makes a good fire starter. This pouch contains my cords for my aim tom and my Bluetooth speaker, an umbrella, bug repellent, a tire gauge, paracord, batteries, Bluetooth speaker, and my little aim tom battery, fully charged. It's been fully charged since I bought it. And of course a little LED flashlight as well. And it all fits pretty nicely in here. Job done. And that's what I keep in my car. I guess I could talk a little bit about the front seat. See, my CV is always with me. Glove box is just stickers, wet wipes, stress ball for when you're sitting in traffic, and your typical glove box stuff. Armrest, I bought this cubby organizer, which was a fantastic buy on Amazon. Doctor said I need to start using sunscreen, so I guess he's right. And your typical junk. And in here is my GoPro and all assorted goodies, always plugged in, and just a bit of random stuff. So that is about it. Cubby up here. It's another small multi-tool, and that's where I rest my phone when I'm driving. And that's it. I'll see you on the next one.